Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to transfer money from Cash App to your Chime account, step by step. If you've ever struggled to figure this out, stick with me because by the end of this video, you'll know the easiest way to move your money quickly and securely. Whether you use Chime for direct deposits or savings, linking it to Cash App makes it super convenient to send money back and forth. The process is straightforward, but there are a few key steps you have to follow, so let's get right into it. First, open your Cash App and tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Go to Accounts and Settings, then select Linked Banks. Tap Link Bank, and from the list, choose Chime. Now sign in with your Chime email and password. Complete the two-step verification by entering the code sent to your phone, and then tap I agree to finalize. Once your Chime account is linked, you should see it appear in your linked bank section inside Cash App. That means you're ready to transfer. Head back to the Cash App home screen and tap on the Banking or Balance tab in the bottom left corner. Tap Withdraw under your cash balance and use the slider to pick how much money you want to send to Chime. Choose your transfer speed. Standard transfers are free but usually take 1 to 3 business days, while instant transfers may have a small fee. Finally, tap Done and your transfer will begin. And that's it. You've now successfully sent money from Cash App to Chime. Super simple once you know the steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick guides like this.